In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix SEO settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your SEO tools in Wix and how to walk through the setup so search engines can better understand and surface your site. Start on your site's dashboard. This is your control center in Wix, and everything you need is organized in the left-hand panel. Look for the marketing section on that left pane. That's where Wix groups all of the tools that help your site grow, including your SEO controls. Click Marketing to open it. Inside Marketing, select SEO and Geo. This area brings together your search engine optimization options and location-related settings. Even if you don't have a local business, SEO and Geo is where you'll manage how your pages appear in search results and which audiences and regions you want to target. Now, choose Start Setup on your SEO. This launches Wix's guided process, which makes configuration straightforward, even if you're new to SEO. As you continue through the process, you'll see prompts to review and refine the essentials that influence how your site is discovered. Take your time here. The more clearly you describe your site, the easier it is for search engines to match you with the right visitors. When you're asked for page titles and descriptions, write in plain, natural language. Aim to include a primary keyword that reflects what the page is really about, place it early in the title, and keep the title readable and concise. For descriptions, summarize the value of the page in 1 or 2 sentences and use a friendly, action-oriented tone. Think of this as your elevator pitch in search results. If the setup highlights headings on your pages, make sure each page has a clear H1 that matches the page's topic. For any fields about images, use meaningful alt text that describes what's in the image and why it matters to the page. When you see options related to indexing or visibility, keep indexing enabled so search engines can find your site, unless you're intentionally keeping a draft private. Wix may also guide you to confirm your business category, location details, or target regions. Provide accurate information so your content is shown to the right audience. As you go, Wix typically saves your choices and shows a checklist to track progress, so you can pause and resume anytime. That's all there is to it. From your dashboard, head to Marketing, open SEO and Geo, and start the SEO setup to configure and manage how your site appears in search. Revisit this area whenever you update your content so your SEO stays aligned with your goals.